A vast, silent world stretches before us. This is Mars, ancient, rugged, and shaped by billions of years of cosmic history. As we begin our journey from the left, notice the gently sloping terrain, scattered with fine dust and fragmented rock. These patterns are not random, they are signatures of wind, slowly sculpting the surface over time. Moving forward, the landscape rises into layered outcrops. These rocky formations hold clues to Mars's past, each layer a page in a story that may include flowing water, volcanic activity, and dramatic climate change. The surface appears dry and lifeless, yet it is far from inactive. Subtle ripples in the soil reveal the constant influence of Martian winds, reshaping the ground grain by grain. As we continue, the terrain becomes more rugged and elevated. These ridges and plateaus hint at erosion processes that have carved the planet for eons, exposing its hidden geological secrets. Toward the right, the horizon flattens again, fading into a dusty expanse beneath a pale sky. It's a reminder of the scale of this world, vast, quiet, and still largely unexplored. This is Mars as seen through the eyes of perseverance, a frontier of discovery, waiting to reveal whether life ever existed beyond Earth, a world still waiting to be understood. And yet, even within this vast silence, the surface holds details that invite a closer look. As we move in, the landscape begins to reveal subtle variations, scattered rocks and gentle ripples shaped by persistent Martian winds. But then, something begins to stand out. A darker formation, slightly elevated, breaking the uniformity of the terrain. As the view tightens, its shape becomes clearer, rounded, compact, almost deliberate in appearance. Its surface appears smoother than the surrounding rocks, as if it has resisted erosion differently or formed under unique conditions. And at its top, a small circular opening comes into view, a feature that immediately draws attention. Is this simply the result of wind carving through weaker material, or a fragment of rock fractured and hollowed over time? On Mars, perspective can be deceptive. Light, shadow, and angle often transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. As we begin to pull away, the structure slowly blends back into the landscape, losing its prominence among countless other rocks scattered across the surface. What once seemed distinct now becomes part of a larger geological story. And as the camera continues its journey across the terrain, the ridges and dust once again dominate the scene, shaped by forces that have acted for billions of years. Here, every formation, no matter how small, carries a question, and every question brings us one step closer to understanding Mars.